Yeah. This is me again. You know the name, right? Muzaro. Yeah. Today we are going to talk about why the later part of your pregnancy, and do last 2 months, or you feel a lot of pains. Why? Sometimes you may think it's a curse. No, it's not a curse. That's how God created. God is very intelligent, man. Let me show you one thing.
Oh, then you're crazy. Nana, Miss Shaw.
Oh, number three.
Nana, Miss Shaw, family call hospital.
That be what I'm showing.
Family call hospital.
Today, someone is here, so I'm talking to somebody. So, like maybe many kakraba has it. This is how it is. As you are pregnant from first month, second month, everything has been very free for you. Everything has been very free for you. If your later part you get very free, you don't got to bed, so say deliver. What will you do? There's no pain, you don't have any pain. If pregnancy is not painful, if they send you to the hospital, you feel very relaxed to give birth because it's like you having a cancer and it's not affecting you, and they said they have to operate you. Will you allow it? No. You say, oh no, let it be there. But if it's affecting you, see that the thing is killing you. If they say let's operate it, you are going to do it right away. You understand? So God is very intelligent. Pregnancy, He made the later part to be very painful, so that if they send you to the bed and say push seconds, everything will come out. You understand? Yeah, that's how you feel so much pain. So you have to appreciate that. That's how God did it, okay? Don't feel pains again, Alright.